Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to explore what data science is with everyday examples. Whether you're curious about getting into the field or just want to better understand how it impacts your life, this video is for you. So let's dive in. First off, we have data. What it means. Raw facts or numbers. Think of it as ingredients. Everyday example. Your grocery bill is data. It shows what you bought, how much it cost, and when you bought it. Next up, we have algorithm. What it means, a set of rules a computer follows to solve a problem. Everyday example. A cooking recipe is an algorithm. It tells you, step by step, how to make a dish. Then we have accuracy. What it means. How often a prediction is correct. Everyday example. If your weather app says it will rain and it actually does 9 out of 10 times, it's 90% accurate. After that, we have classification. What it means. Sorting things into categories. Everyday example. Separating laundry into whites and colors is classification. Then we have A/B testing. What it means. Comparing two versions to see which one works better. Everyday example. Trying to cake recipes to see which one your family likes more. After that, we have anomaly detection. What it means. Spotting something unusual in a set of data. Everyday example. If your electricity bill suddenly triples 1 month, that's an anomaly. Then we have API. Application Programming Interface. What it means. A way for two programs to talk to each other. Everyday example. Like a waiter taking your order to the kitchen and bringing back your food. He's the interface between you and the chef. After that, we have big data. What it means. Huge amounts of information that need special tools to understand. Everyday example. Imagine trying to organize every photo ever taken on Earth. That's big data. Then we have categorical data. What it means. Data that fits into groups. Everyday example. Ice cream flavors, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry are categories. Then we have prediction. What it means. Using past data to guess what will happen next. Everyday example. If you always get stuck in traffic at 8 a.m., you predict it'll happen again tomorrow. Then we have regression. What it means. Predicting a number based on patterns. Example. Estimating your monthly grocery cost based on past spending. Then we have correlation. What it means. How two things move together. Example. If ice cream sales go up when the temperature rises, they're correlated. Then we have mean. What it means. The average value. Example. If your last 5 electricity bills were $50, $60, $55, $65, and $70, the mean is $60. Then we have standard deviation. What it means. How spread out the numbers are. Example. If your daily steps vary wildly, your step count has high standard deviation. Then we have hypothesis. What it means. An educated guess to test. Example. You think drinking coffee after 6 p.m. affects your sleep. That's your hypothesis. Then we have feature. What it means. A piece of information used to make predictions. Example. Your age, income, and location are features when predicting your loan eligibility. Then we have model. What it means. A trained system that makes predictions. Example. Like a weather app that predicts rain based on past weather data. Then we have data cleaning. What it means. Fixing or removing messy data. Example. Correcting typos in a contact list or removing duplicate entries. Then we have outlier. What it means. A value that's way different from others. Example. If most people spend $100 on groceries, but one person spends $1,000, that's an outlier. Then we have machine learning. What it means. Teaching computers to learn from data. Example, Netflix, learning your preferences and recommending shows you might like. Then we have cold start problem. What it means: when a system doesn't have enough data to make good predictions. Example, a new music app doesn't know your taste yet, so it recommends random songs. Then we have normalization. What it means: adjusting data to a common scale. Example, converting all temperatures to Celsius so they're easier to compare. Then we have neural network. What it means: a computer system inspired by the human brain. Example, like how your brain recognizes faces, a neural network can recognize handwriting. Then we have training data. What it means: data used to teach a model. Example, feeding a model thousands of cat photos, so it learns what a cat looks like. Then we have testing data. What it means: data used to check how well the model learned. Example, showing the model new cat photos to see if it can still identify them. Then we have overfitting. What it means: when a model learns too much from training data and fails on new data. Example, memorizing answers to practice questions but failing the real test. Then we have underfitting. What it means: when a model doesn't learn enough from training data. Example, studying too little and guessing on the test. Then we have clustering. What it means: grouping similar items together. Example, organizing your wardrobe into casual, formal, and workout clothes. Then we have dimensionality reduction. What it means: simplifying data by removing unnecessary features. Example, ignoring shoe size when predicting someone's favorite ice cream flavor. Then we have dashboard. What it means: a visual summary of data. Example, your car's dashboard shows speed, fuel, and temperature. Same idea for business data. And that wraps up our journey through 20 essential terms in data science. If you found this helpful, please like the video. Your support means everything to us. Also, if there's a term you'd like explained further or have a topic in mind, comment below. We can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay curious.